Okay.
Okay, so let's take a quick look at the lawnmower. I got it. First year it ran well. Second year it ran well. First pull it went. Second year, first pull. Then it started getting worse, and it was tougher and tougher to start. So I was getting kind of discouraged with it, and every place I looked, they said this model had a problem with the carburetor, and this problem and that problem, and I said, oh, maybe I got, I want to get a better lawnmower or something that at least starts. So I was talking to my brother about it. So he says, wait a second. 2 days later, he comes over with a can of carburetor fluid. And this is what happens. The idea is first pull, no problems ever. I figure my brother with that $4 can saved me about $250, and this thing runs terrific, and it's a great mower. So everybody have a good day. Bye.
See you on the next one.